Ditch the desk, crush your conversations, and unlock ultimate call freedom with Retell AI on your phone. First things first, make sure you've got the Retell AI app downloaded and installed on your mobile device. You can find it in your app store, and if you haven't already, sign up for an account or log in. It's quick. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Retell AI dashboard. From here, find and tap the calls or phone icon, which is usually clearly visible, maybe at the bottom or from the main menu. Now, it's calling time. You'll likely see a keypad. Just like your phone's dialer, tap the numbers to enter the phone number of the person you want to reach. Make sure to include the area code. After you've dialed the number, check for the call button. It's often represented by a phone handset symbol. Give that a tap and the call will start connecting. While you're on the call, the Retell AI app offers useful features. You'll probably find familiar options like mute, speakerphone, and potentially even the ability to easily record the conversation. Check the options available on the screen. When you're finished, simply tap the end call button, usually a red phone icon after the call. Retell AI often provides a summary or log, giving you easy access to the call details. And that's it. With Retell AI, you can make clear, professional calls directly from your mobile, boosting your productivity and letting you connect from practically anywhere. Get calling.